June 2022 reading. It is June. June is the 6th month of the year. There are 30 days in June. The weather is sunny and hot. It can be stormy too. We can wear t-shirts and shorts. Summer begins on June 21. The last day of school is June 23. We can go to the beach. We can eat ice cream. After June is July. Canada Day is on July 1st.